Hi. One of the features that the Vray Frame Buffer offers is that when you choose the IPR rendering, the real-time rendering, first you need to wait until the light cache is built. And when it starts to render incrementally, and before it finishes, you can use the control to pick objects from within the frame buffer. For example, I will use control and click here. You can see here that this object is selected. I can right click here and hide it. This way I can choose objects to hide and unhide without leaving the frame buffer here. Like I said, first you need to wait until the building of the light cache is finished, and then now I can choose, for example, this table, control click, and you can see here when the rendering finishes, you cannot use this feature. So basically that's it for this quick tip tutorial. Hope you like it. If you do, please press the like button and maybe subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.